Find the fourth roots of unity. Solution. Let z power 4 is equal to 1. Unity means 1. Here this is fourth degree equation. It has 4 roots. Therefore z equal to 1 whole to the power 1 by 4. So that it is fourth roots of unity. Here this 1 can be written using the polar form. That means 1 is written as cos 0 plus I sin 0 or e power I into 0. So cos 0 plus I sin 0 whole to the power 1 by 4. Then let us add 2k pi, that means 360 degree. Number of rotations, how many rotations after 360 rotation it becomes again same degree, that is 0 degree. One more rotation, if we make 2 rotation, so it is also same place. So that 2k pi adding with the argument, there is no change at all. So 2k pi plus 0, that means 2k pi plus theta is the working rule. With the argument we can add 2k pi. Therefore z equal to cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi whole to the power 1 by 4. Here 2k pi considered as theta. We know the formula e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. It is Euler formula. Using this formula, this can be written as e power I theta form. E power I theta value 2k pi whole to the power 1 by 4. This will implies z equal to e power I into 2k pi divided by 4, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Here 1 by 4, it means that this z has 4 values. How do you obtain 4 values? When you substituting 0, 1, 2, 3 for k values, we can substitute 4 values. We can obtain the 4 roots for the equation. First, let us substitute k is equal to 0. When you substitute k is equal to 0, z becomes e power I into 0. Substituting in the Euler's formula, e power I into theta, e power I into 0, that is cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 value we know 1, sin 0 value 0. So cos 0 plus I sin 0, it is 1 plus I into 0, that is 1. This 1 can be written as a 1, 0 as a point, that is set of ordered pairs. When k is equal to 1, z equal to, when you substitute k is equal to 1, here 2 into 1, that is 2 pi by 4, that is e power I into pi by 2, cancelling 2 and 4. This can be written using the same formula, Euler's formula, cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 0, sin pi by 2 1, so 0 plus I into 1, that is I. It is denoted as omega. So first root defined as 1, second root is defined as omega. This is denoting the point 0, 1. When you substitute k is equal to 2 in e power I into 2k pi by 4, z equal to 2k pi, 2 into 2, that is 4 pi by 4, 4 cancel, e power I into pi. So cos phi plus I sin pi, e power I theta formula, cos theta plus I sin theta. So cos pi value what? Minus 1. Sin pi value 0. So minus 1 plus I 0, that is minus 1 comma 0. This is omega square. It is defined as omega square. When you substitute k is equal to 3, z equal to I into 2k pi by 4, that is 2 into 3, 6 pi by 4, cancelling 3 pi by 2. Here e power I into 3 pi by 2 is a positive direction angle 3 pi by 2. If we are from the x-axis, if you go through like this, this is 3 pi by 2. Suppose if you come in the clockwise direction, that is minus pi by 2, that is negative direction. If you go in this opposite direction, that is clockwise, that is negative direction, minus pi by 2, positive direction 3 pi by 2. This is written as cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2, cos pi by 2 0, sin pi by 2 value 1. So 0 minus I into 1, minus I. This is 0 comma minus 1. It is a point, it denotes the point 0 comma minus 1. It is defined as omega cube. So there are 4 roots. What are the 4 roots? Fourth roots of unity are 1 omega, omega square, omega cube. That is, fourth roots of unity are 1 minus 1 plus I minus I. Hence the problem. Consider a unit circle. Here 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1, minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma minus 1, denoting 4 complex numbers, that is fourth roots of unity complex number. In a circle, they are denoting different points, that is 1 plus I, minus 1 minus I. For fourth roots of unity, z is equal to e power I into 2k pi by 4. For nth roots of unity, omega is equal to e power I into 2k pi by n, or omega is equal to 6 2k pi by n. Here, fourth roots of unity denoting 1 omega, omega square, omega cube, omega power 4. Here omega power 4 is equal to 1. Fourth roots of unity is omega power 4 equal to 1. So look at the circle. This circle, here 1 omega, omega square, omega cube, 4 complex number form a square. So look at the line segments, AB, BC, CD, DA. Here A is 1 comma 0, B is 0 comma 1, C is minus 1 comma 0, the fourth point is D, 0 comma minus 1. Here fourth roots of unity forms 90 degree at the center of the circle. So ABCD is a square. Here fourth roots of unity form a square. Fourth roots of unity form a square, that is ABCD is a square.